how to view the Wi-Fi or mobile data usage from the secure folder on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, and S25 Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up Quick Settings. Now in the settings page, open up Settings by tapping on the settings icon. Next in here, go down and tap on Security and Privacy. After that, we then scroll down and tap on More Security Settings. Then tap on Secure Folder. After that, scroll down and tap on More Settings. Now in here, you want to go down and tap on Data Usage. From here, you'll be able to view mobile data usage as well as Wi-Fi data usage. Here, you can also turn on or turn off Data Saver. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.